Celestial objects. When you see the sky in the night, you find there are many twinkle stars and also the shiny moon. These objects are called celestial objects. Apart from the moon and stars, planets and meteors are also celestial objects. The moon. Moon, Latin word means luna, is an only natural satellite of the Earth and the fifth largest satellite in the solar system. It is 240,000 miles, that is 384,000 kilometers away from Earth. The moon takes 29.5 days to make one orbit around the Earth. It also takes 29.5 days to complete one rotation on its axis. It is non-luminous object, but it reflects the light from the sun. The part of the moon facing the sun is lit up. The part facing away from the sun is in darkness. The changing shape of the bright part of the moon that we see is called its phase. It takes our moon about 29.5 days to complete the cycle through all 8 phases. This is known as a lunar month. Surface of moon. Moon has no water and atmosphere. Therefore, there is no life as on the Earth. Also, the gravity on moon is very less as compared to the Earth, which means it will be difficult to walk on moon. An American astronaut, Neil Armstrong, landed on the moon for the first time, followed by Edwin Aldrin. The moon's surface is dusty and barren. There are many craters of different sizes. It also has a large number of steep and high mountains. Some of these are as high as the highest mountains on the Earth. Some other members of the solar system. Our solar system is like a huge family which has a number of members. Let us look at some of the members. What are asteroids? There is a large gap in between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. This gap is occupied by a large number of small objects that revolve around the sun. These are called asteroids. Asteroids can only be seen through large telescopes. What are comets? They are made of ice and mud. These revolve around the sun in large and highly elliptical orbit. These acquire a bright tail as they come near the sun. Tail is always directed away from the sun. The size of the tail decreases as the comet moves away from the sun. Comets appear periodically, like Halley's Comet, which comes after every 76 years. What are meteors? A meteor, shooting stars, is a small object that occasionally enters the Earth's atmosphere. At that time, it has a very high speed. The friction due to the atmosphere heats it up. It glows and evaporates quickly. That is why the bright streak lasts for a very short time. Some meteors are large so that they can reach the Earth before they evaporate completely. The body that reaches the Earth is called a meteorite. Artificial satellites. The artificial satellites are man-made. They are launched from the Earth. They revolve around the Earth much closer than the Earth's natural satellite, the Moon. The artificial satellites have many practical applications. They are used for forecasting weather, transmitting television and radio signals. They are also used for telecommunication and remote sensing. The solar system, sun and planets. Sun is the only star of our solar system, having 8 planets, many asteroids and comets revolving around it in their fixed orbits. All planets revolve around the sun in anti-clockwise rotation except Venus and Uranus. It is the gravity of the sun which bounds all the planets, asteroids and comets in the solar system. Light from the sun reaches us in approximately 8 minutes. That is why we say sun is 8 light minutes away from us. Click on any one of the planets to know more about it.